How to delete WhatsApp backup from your Android phone. Guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can find out your WhatsApp backup in your Android phone and how you can delete it permanently. So guys, let's start with the video. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So guys, let's go on my Android phone. So guys, I am on my Android phone. So first we have to open our file manager. So this is my file manager. This is Play Store application. If you don't have file manager in your mobile, so you can download from your Play Store. You can see the logo. This is Google. This is from Google. Okay, so this is Google file manager. Every Android phone has this. So now just scroll down and find your internal storage. And if you install your WhatsApp external storage, you can go to the external storage. So I have only internal storage. I just click on it, and now just scroll down and you have to find the WhatsApp. So here you can see this is WhatsApp folder. I have to tap on this. After tap this, I will see the backups, database, media, and logs zip. So here, for in order to delete WhatsApp backup, so you have to click on database. Click on database, and here you can see the WhatsApp backup. This is all file. This is all file backup files. Okay, so just select by holding 1 second. It will be select one. Now you can select all from here. You can select all. Okay, so it will be select all. Now you can delete from here. So it will be delete. So I hope guys you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.